Hi, I'm Anna Cantu, Global Board Stylist for Farouk Systems, and today we're doing a classic bleach touch-up. Today we're going to be utilizing our CHI Blondest Blonde. Our CHI Blondest Blonde is a high-lift, powerful lightener that can lift 1 to 8 levels of lift. You can find it in either a powder form or also a cream form. It can be used on and off the scalp. If you're going to use it on the scalp, you can use 10 or 20 volume. If you're going to use it off the scalp, you can utilize it with our 30 and 40 volume. First, before we even begin, we always got to prep this gorgeous canvas. So with our gorgeous model, we're starting off with a level 2. Look how dark these roots are. And then she already has a beautiful light canvas that we can play with later on. How I prep my beautiful models is I always start off with a little bit of silk infusion. Always put silk infusion onto the hair and always use a generous amount. This is gonna go ahead and moisturize the hair, prep it, give it the proper nutrients, moisture, condition it, and also make it super strong. You can use it on wet or dry hair as well. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of our CHI Keratin Mist. CHI Keratin Mist equalizes the porosity of the hair, and also too, it just kind of strengthens the hair before I do my bleaching service. So for this application, I'm gonna choose to use our cream lightener. This gives me that extra silk, that moisture, and also even better consistency to give me that more high lift power. When doing a bleach retouch, we like to go ahead and use cotton just to absorb any bleach that's overlapped into the old hair. All right, that completes our bleach retouch. So just to go ahead and recap, we utilized our CHI Blondest Blonde cream form with our 20 volume. We applied on the roots, applied a little bit of cotton on there just to go ahead and prevent any overlapping on that old hair line of demarcation. Another great tip, you can go ahead and utilize our CHI Blondest Blonde with our CHI Infra High Lift cream colors. So mix them equal parts, apply onto the hair, on and off the scalp as well. And you can also get extra toning value when you do that. So you choose. We're gonna go ahead and leave this to process for 30 minutes. We'll come back and check her, and then we'll check out the results. Now we're gonna add some pigment, but not just any pigment, our CHI Chromashine color. So with our CHI Chromashine color, it is a direct dye. So what you see is what you get. You always wanna start off with a light canvas, and a new hot flavor that we're gonna be playing with is a beautiful lime. So how do we achieve it? We can start off with a beautiful white base and a little bit of yellow, and adding 2 drops of green gives you the perfect lime. You can just see how pretty and shiny, creamy the color is. You see a little bit of yellow, you have that white with the pastel, and you see that beautiful green right in there. It's gonna be gorgeous on this canvas. Always apply Keratin Mist. This is done before any color service. This will help guarantee the porosity of the hair and make sure it comes out even and gorgeous. We add our silk infusion, just adds moisture, conditions the hair, repairs the hair, and really works with the color itself because we do have silk in everything. With our color pattern, sometimes just applying a beautiful bold color is just enough. So we're gonna apply this beautiful lime from roots to ends.
Hi everybody, my name is Rocky Vitelli, Global Artist for Farouk Systems. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a haircut, a razor haircut, layering from shorter to longer into the back, creating that nice V shape coming in from the shorter into the V shape in through the back. How I like to create this hairstyle is using a razor because the speed of the razor allows me to go from shorter to longer much faster than a scissor would. Let's talk about the sections. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, and 4 main sections to the hairstyle. We're going to start in the front and now create subsections into the side section on a diagonal back. The reason why we're going diagonal back is because we're taking that hair from shorter to longer. So section this, we're going to create our guide, and the sections again are from the apex to the back of the ear, apex to the back of the ear. Going back into the layering technique, on the outside lines, we're going to create the shortest layer, which we want to be right here. So we'll remove that just like so, right there. Now we're going to create a faster speed going from shorter to longer. What we're going to do is direct that hair forward, just like that. And now with our razor, we're just going to come in and go from shorter to longer. Once we do that, the same side, we're going to drop another section. Now we're going to come in and slightly layer the top area just a little bit. All right, so the haircut is done. We razored the perimeter going from shorter to longer, and then we lightly layered all the top area to create a softness on interior, a long layered softness in the interior layering part as well. So you can see in the back how we create that perfect V with that razor on wet hair. It's gonna give us a lot of movement, a lot of flow, and with this thick hair, we're gonna blow dry this and see some nice, beautiful movement to it.